Hello everyone, how are you girls? Today we are going to study about the area in general, how to find the area of composite figures. So to find the area, we know that the area is the space inside any shape. For example, if I got a triangle like this, so the area of this triangle is the space inside the triangle. It's like as we took last class, how to find the area of a circle, which is the space inside it. Okay, for the circle, what was the area? The area for the circle is equal to pi r squared. Okay, so what is the area of a triangle? I will need to know some of the shapes that I will memorize the area for them. So the area of any triangle will be something like this. I will draw it again here for you. For example, like this. This is called the height, and that's the base. So area of triangle is equal to base times height divided by 2. So this is of the that's one of the areas that you need to memorize. What are the things that most commonly we are going to use? We are going to use the parallelogram, which is like this. That's the shape of a parallelogram. And the area of the parallelogram is base times height, and this is the height. That's the height of a parallelogram. What about the triangle? It's like this one, as I said here. That's half base times height, or base times height divided by 2. And the trapezoid is something like this. Two bases, that's base 1 and that's base 2, and you have the height. So you are going to multiply height times base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2, all of it. It means that the area is equal to base 1 plus base 2, all of it times height divided by 2, all of it. And the circle, as we know, it's pi r squared. So these are the areas that we need to memorize. So parallelogram, triangle, trapezoid, and a circle. These are mainly the things that we need to memorize. Okay, so let's see, what do we mean by composite figure? Composite figure is something like these shapes. See these shapes? They are not only one shape, it's two different shapes connected to each other like this. For example, this one is a parallelogram and a rectangle. So to find the area of each one, and then I will add them. To find the area of all of them, I will find area 1, and I will find area 2, and add them at the end. The same here. Area 1 is a square. Area 2 is half of a circle, and then I add them. The trapezoid here, this one is a trapezoid, area 1, and the triangle is area 2, and then you add them. That's the idea of the lesson, how to find composite figures. Let's take an example about this, so to show us how can we solve questions when we deal with. So, for example, let's take this example. I have this shape and I want to find the area of it. So this shape, there's no shape called a house, right? It looks like a house, but there's no shape called a house. We have to divide it into shapes that I know. For example, I will divide it into two parts like this. This is a triangle, and that's a rectangle. Okay, let's see. So I will name this one area 1, and I will name this area 2. And let's see what are we going to do. To find area 1, you need to find the rule of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is base times height, which is equal to, that's the base and that's the height. So it's equal to 15 times 12. Okay, which is equal to, you need to multiply 15 times 12, put them after each other, and multiply, it's going to be 180 feet squared. That's area 1. خلاص, I'm done with area 1. I found it. Now I want to find area 2. Area 2 is a triangle. Triangle. What is the rule for the triangle? The rule for the triangle is base times height divided by 2. Let's see. Where's the base? That's the base, right? Which is 15. Where's the height? That's the height, which is equal to 4 times 4, and then you divide it by 2 because it's the rule. Type 15 times 4 is equal to, who knows? 15 times 4 is equal to 60. So I will put 60 here, and then divide by 2, it's going to be 30 feet squared. Type to find the total area or the whole area that he wants. So area total, I will do it with different color. The total area is equal to area 1 plus area 2. Where is area 1? Area 1 is 180 plus area 2, which is 30. So it's equal to 210 feet squared. And that's it. That's the area of the total of the whole shape here. Thank you. Hope it's helpful for you.